Welcome back to EBWL 2021. Today we have the second series of the season, Eastern Elks and Western Wolves. Brady, give us a breakdown.
So yes, it is going to be me, Luke Zanaski, our new rookie, and Wolvermet take on Cooper Card and Harry Leventhal, a new player. I had to sign him last night because once again, the Wolves had difficulty getting players. It's not Cooper's fault. Cooper's always here, showing how much he loves the sport, but everyone else in the other team, I'm not too sure.
And today we do have the Elks and the Wolves. Last season, this was a great rivalry. Although the Elks came up on top most of the time, all games were competitive, and we're going to try and see if it's the same this season. Hopefully we get some good whiffs today. Yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of the league. Let's go. I'm here with Wolvermet, Eastern Elks player. Now, Brady has bumped you up to the ace for this season starting out. How does it feel to be getting the full 6 innings today?
It feels great. I'm really excited. I got a lot of work in the off season working out some pitches, so I'm ready to use them.
All right, sounds good. So today we have the rookie here, Luke Zanaski. I know you had a big role in signing him. What do you think he can bring to this team?
Well, I think he can bring a big defensive role. I also think he can bring a lot of home runs to this team.
A lot of home runs. That's what wins games. I'm here with Cooper Card, captain of the Western Wolves. How many wins do you think you guys are going to get this year?
This whole year, I'd say going for at least 4.
4 wins? I mean, that's a big improvement from last season. Now, what's the most exciting part about your team? You got a new player here again today. Like always, you got a new player, Harry Leventhal. What do you think he can bring?
A lot. Yeah, he's got a very good swing.
He does have a nice swing.
Yes, I'm hoping he can bring some pitching though. Because, and right there, as you can see, very good hit.
Just hit a home run as we were doing this interview. All right, sounds good, Cooper. Let's get to the game.
Let's go.
We have Cooper Card on the mound for game 1. Eastern Elks versus Western Wolves. Here we go. That is first pitch out. Rough start for Brady Summers. 3-0 here. Will pops out for the second straight at bat. Not good for the Elks. 3-1 to Luke Zanaski's. Walks him. 3-0 pitch to Brady Summers. Goes for his head. That's another walk. 2 on, 2 outs for Wolvermet. Here we go. The 2-1 for Wolvermet. Ooh! Hits him on the dome. Very Nick Inguanti-esque. Luke Zanaski comes up with bases loaded, 2 outs. Let's see what the rookie can do. Full count. Walks him. That's a run. 3-0, bases loaded, 2 outs for Brady Summers. He pipes that one. Can Cooper get to it? Nice catch from Coop. Almost collides into Harry. 3 outs. Gets out of the jam with only 1 run. We have Will on the mound and Luke in the field. Here we go. Harry seems to be fooled on the first 2. Oh! No shot! Safe! Oh! Harry stays at second. Oh, he's going to 3! Oh! No shot! Harry scored! Inside the Parker for Harry in his first at-bat ever! First at-bat ever. Harry gets an inside the park home run. A couple of foolish plays in the field. Oh my God. What a play from Harry.
You got the Sean mindset.
Apologies, that is 3 strikes. Cooper is out. 1-2. And he swings at junk. That's a strikeout. 2-2 count here. Oh my. Cooper's knees buckled harder than I don't even know what. 3-1 count for Will. Crap. Hits the cameraman. We have beef now. That walk. 2-2 count for Brady. Ooh, that's an out. Ticked into the zone. That's 1 out there for the Wolves. Full count here. Walks him. Bases loaded, 1 out for Luke Zanaski. Let's see what they can do. Full count, bases loaded for Luke Zanaski. And he gets nailed. That is 2-1. A 2-1 lead for the Elks. 1-0 count. Piped. And that's another pop-up for Brady. Will tags. Cooper's not paying attention, and that is a run for the Elks. 3-1 Elks. 2-2 count. Piped up the middle. There's a single. Luke is going home. That's another run. Harry makes a bonehead move in center field. Full count, runners on first and second for Luke. Takes the walk. Bases are now loaded again. 1-1 count. Bases loaded. 2 outs for Brady Summers. Let's see what he can do. Pipes that. Oh, what a snag! What a snag from Harry! Sends Brady packing. Oh, what an end to the inning. Harry's a star early in this series. 2-1 count. What a pitch. Apologies, that is a strikeout. Cooper in an early hole, down 0-2. And takes a looking strike. That's another K. 2 in a row this inning. Will is in limbo. Full count. Dicks the zone. Harry gets sat down. Top of the third. Cooper Card takes the mound again. Will is up to start the inning. Here we go. Get piped. Oh, that is over the play structure. That is a nuke. Will busts it open. Wiffleball waves goodbye to that one. That is a solo ding-dong for Will. 4-1. Elks lead the Wolves. 3-0 for Luke Sinaski. That one was terrible. Ball 4 walk. Brady is having a nightmare of a day so far. Let's see if he can get a hit here. Brady gets out of the slump there. Finally gets a hit. Although it was very tiny and very uneventful, Brady gets on base. Will, right back to Harry.
Harry, you should have threw it at him.
Brady's at the cooler getting a water. Will pipes one back to Harry. That is 2 outs. That is 1 out. Apologies. 3-1 for Luke Sinaski. That is a walk.
7th walk of the day.
3-1, bases loaded, 1 out for Brady Summers. Walks him, that's a run. 3-0, bases loaded, and only 1 out for Wiffleball. Walks him. Cooper walks him on 4 pitches. It's another run. Ball 4 walk. Cooper has fallen apart. It is now 9-1. 3-2. Will lays off. That is now 10-1. Full count for Luke Sinaski. Ooh, and he swings at that. First at-bat of the game. Full count, bases loaded, 2 outs for Brady Summers. And he swings and misses. Gets out of the inning. 2-1 count. My bad, that's 4-0 walk. Strikeout there. Will is dealing. No shot! I wasn't even paying attention. Cooper pipes it. Still down by 7 runs, but that was a bomb. What a shot from Cooper Card. Over the brand new orange monster. That's another strikeout. 2-1 count for Luke. I meant Cooper, but he gets a hit there. Oh, he almost went 2. Luke has the ball. Luke is aggressive. Luke will not let him get it. We see a little life from the Wolves here. Harry. That could be the game. And it is. They have a little bit of a spark in the bottom of the third, but the Elks hold on to win. 10-3 final score.
Here we go.
The Eastern Elks are home for game 2. Let's get it going. 1-1 count. Nails him in the inner thigh. That was close. 3-0 count for Cooper Card. 4-pitch walk. First and second for Harry. 2-2 count for Harry. And he hits him again. Looking like Nick Inguanti this week. Full count. That is a dirty K for Brady Somers. He has found himself on the mound. 2-2 count for Harry Leventhal. Gets him swinging. That is 2 outs. Is that 1 run? 3-1 for Harry Leventhal. Brady Somers walks in another one. Cooper swinging for the fences on that one. Ends the inning. Harry Leventhal on the mound for game 2.
These should be wraps. Will, I swear to God.
First pitch single for Brady. What's that, 2-0? 2-0. Leventhal sauces that one up. Another single for the Elks. 2-0 count. Sanaski sends that one out the park. Harry's in disarray on the mound. Luke doesn't know how to handle it. It's his first dinger. First hit of his career is a bomb. 2-0 count. I don't know what that was. Drills him in the back. 3-1 count for Luke. Throws behind him. That's a walk. And Brady ends the inning with that one. A 3-run bomb. Mercy rule.
Yo, Brady, the fact you actually hit a dinger.
Wait, that's a grand slam? That is a grand slam, actually. 7-2. Never mind. It's a 6-3 game. End of the first. Elks in control. 2-2 count for Harry. Harry swings, gets choked up, strikeout. 3-1 count for Cooper Card. Takes the walk. Harry Leventhal hitting lefty now. Gets piped first pitch. Strikes him out.
17 and 3 inches short of him.
Nice pitch. 0-1 count, 2 outs.
I was getting hit too. Sean wasn't getting hit.
That is a hit by pitch. That is bases loaded with 2 outs. Some heroics from Cooper would be nice here. 2-2 count. Gets him swinging. Gets out of the half inning. 3-0 count.
He wanted that hit.
Bat flips for the single.
He wanted the hit.
Bat flips on the single. Not sure what that was, Will.
That went up, bro.
Luke. Harry moves. Gets the catch. 1 out. The 1-0 for Brady Somers.
Yes, sir.
Not the 3-run. Not just the 3-run. He kicked it. He kicked it. He kicked it.
Hit the back wall.
Oh, he's out! He's out! He is out. No, that's...
Wow.
That was a confusing play. That clears the bases, I guess. So no run score. No run score, guy on third. Disgusting sequence. Absolutely appalled. The 1-0.
Only pitch. That in the dirt ball.
Takes the hit. The 1-0 for Luke Sanaski.
What did I say? Take second.
He is safe at second, advances to third. 1 run comes in.
See, that's not the thing. 2 home runs. I was about to speak too soon.
Oh my. And he is out.
No, he wasn't.
No, he wasn't.
I didn't even hit him.
Oh, now he's out.
He
I could have sworn he got hit at third, but he ends up getting hit at home anyways. Harry, surprisingly decent pitching inning. The rookie, Luke Sanaski, takes the mound for this inning. Full count for Harry. Walks him on such a close pitch. Full count for Cooper Card. Cooper ground ball, out at 2. Pipes him. Cooper gets hit. Bases loaded. 3-1 count for Harry Leventhal. Walks in a run. I thought he was out, but all right, yeah, safe. 3-1 count. What's the count? 3-1. 3-1.
Oh, Brady.
All right, that brings 1 in. Yeah, you better. The pitch. Walks him. It is now 8-7. The 1-2 count for Brady Summers pitching to Cooper. Gets him swinging. That's 2 outs there. A walk ties the game. A single ties the game. A home run takes the lead. But an out ends it. 2-2 count. Can the reigning Cy Young winner put him away? And he does. That's game. That's game.
Told you, Brady.
Hey, don't swear. There are kids watching.
Same order for both teams. Wolves are home. Brady just struck out. Cooper with the snag of a century there. Gets him at first. 3-1 count for Luke Sanaski. Oh my God, Cooper. 3-1 count for Brady Summers. Walks him. Full count. Walks him.
And you said dinner. White people.
No way. Oh!
Come on. Go second!
He's out.
Ooh, it didn't hit the wall.
Did it?
It missed. That thing whipped.
That did not hit.
It didn't. I thought it hit it. So how many? So you scored, Brady, and he scored. So
Hit the strike zone.
Brady, why didn't you dive out the way? Nothing.
Turn on the.
Or just strike out, please.
What did I say? Turn on it, baby! Let's go, Will!
And that is mercy for the inning. Somehow, 6-0. Elks lead.
MVP. Boy, you're making your dad proud. You can play at Tories too. We just grabbed
That is strike
there.
3.
Let it hit ground.
He got all of that. 3-1 count for Harry. Oh. Don't say like you can't keep doing this.
I'm so happy you're on my
God,
team, bro.
what a pitch.
Let's go, Luke.
Luke, fair ball.
Oh, it's past the
Foul.
base. Fair.
Oh, wait, fair. That is a double. Full count again. He really wanted that one, but that is a K. Will Vermette is now up.
Yes, sir, Will. Get out, baby. That's out. That's a home run.
And Cooper's nowhere to be found. He's chilling on the bench.
Go two.
And another single.
Epic book 2.
Oh my God.
You gotta go, Luke? He was there.
And that is 1 run coming in. Home! Just throw it. He's out. That is the end of that nightmare. I don't want to relive that. Strike 3. That is 1 out. We have the cycle for the series, so that's good. That nailed it. Full count for Harry Leventhal. He lets that one go by. Barely nicks the zone. Heading to the bottom of the second.
Nice. Hold.
Going for 2.
That's a double. Attaboy.
Luke is a home run away from the cycle.
Second. Oh!
That's out. That's out. That is out.
That was right.
That's in front of the third tree. That is out. That grazes the foul ball. Cycle for Luke Sanaski. Cooper tracking it. Misses the rob. That is 2 straight home runs. Brady is being a real meanie.
Third homer.
I'm going to cry. That is
That's a home run.
the 3rd straight home run. I'm going to cry.
Back to back to back.
That is,
Finish it.
4 in a row.
Finish the inning with the thing.
how many home runs is that? Okay, I meant how many runs?
5.
There's no mercy.
Yeah, I know. So 9 plus 5. Chops that one. Harry fields it, but does not make a play on it. Right back to Harry, pop fly. He catches it. That is 1 out. Finally. And he goes around on that. That is 2 outs. And that gets him out of the inning. It is 13-0. They're going to need a miracle to win this one. Wolves' final chance coming up. Right back to Will. He drops it. Able to corral it, get the out at first. Will does have the no-hitter going. And Harry does not spoil it. And that's the series. The Elks sweep. They look hot going into next week. Now, Will, I'm not sure if that. I'm pretty sure that 3rd game was a no-hitter. How'd you feel on the mound?
Felt great. Felt great to throw a lot of strikes, obviously. Felt good to utilize all the pitches that I worked on. Just felt great.
All right, and now Luke, you hit for the cycle in the last game, and I believe you had another home run earlier.
Yeah, it was pretty nice first series. I enjoyed it, and I'm glad to come back.
How'd you know what I was gonna ask? And Brady, your drafting has proved to be pretty good over the offseason, and it seems you have created yourself a fine squad. What do you think the limit for you guys is this season?
I don't think we have a limit. I think right now we're the hottest team in the league. Sure, we played a mediocre Wolves team. Wasn't that great today, but I think with Will's dominant pitching and Luke, who showed to be a star hitter today, I think the Nighthawks should be nervous for week 2.
Yeah, maybe Luke should have been picked first.